Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen and welcome back to my channel. This is how to delete Duolingo account. So first thing, in order for you to do this, is select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. And guys, if you don't see this profile icon, in some application, it will be on the three dots over here. And you should be able to see your profile. So in my case, it is down below. Now guys, once you are here, you could just simply go ahead and select the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now it will open up the settings. And from here, just simply go for the profile at the second tab. And you should be able to see here, delete account. So just simply select delete account. And from here, guys, a pop-up window will show up. And as you can see, if you delete your account, it can take up to 30 days and you will have a 7-day grace period to abort the account deactivation process. And after that, just simply select delete account once you are sure and select delete account. And after that, it will provide you a date when the account will be deleted. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.